So I wasn't going to say much more about the Big Brain Academy. I wasn't really expecting that many kids to do it, but it's reasonably popular. I have quite a few kids that got the second project done, and I have two or three kids that spent the whole weekend doing project three, and one of them is actually done. It's Thomas Lunge. Problem three basically said write the five, make a font that will create the five letters of your name and spell your name, and then make it so that I can put the letters in any order and spell any other word from the letters of your name. So Thomas did that, but he expanded it. He has the entire alphabet done, and he will allow you to write on three lines instead of just one. Take a look at this. So here it is at the beginning. He had to explain his code, but basically you can write in the blue, the gray, or the red. So if I showed him just a little bit more code, he could even hide all of these instructions so you could just put in the letters. But here's where the letters go. You can literally type anything. Let's say an H, and then this would be an E. This is what he could hide if he knew just a little bit more. I could just type in HELLO, but right now I have to put it where he asked for it. But then I'll put an M, and then he has an R, and he even has a period. He called it dot. And then I'll put in the D and an E and an A and an N. And then the third line, this will go in the red, whatever, something like whatever you want it to say. I'll say GO and then a space and then maybe MATH. Watch this. Okay, there are so many problems he had to overcome to make that happen that I could type in anything and it would produce that. It took him 183 lines of code to do, and he did it this weekend just because, because he's it's because of who he is.